The win window is an easy to use visualization tool that illustrates exactly where your front wheels must be to win a race. To demonstrate how the win window works, we'll look at 3 examples. 1. Neither racer is braking out. 2. One racer is braking out. Or 3. Both racers are braking out. So in this time slip you can see that in the left lane we have a dial-in of 5.98 and an ET of 6 seconds, so running 200s over. We have a 497 in the right lane with an ET of 5 seconds, so running 300s over. So let's switch to the look down view, and I'm going to turn the track markers on. I'm going to press play, and I'll slow it down a little bit and I'll explain what's happening as we get closer to the finish line. Almost there. Was it there? So what are these markers on the screen? The blue line here is the front wheels in the right lane. The yellow line is the position of the front wheels in the left lane. The pink lines here represent the dial-ins. And this green box here is what I call the win window. So at the moment, the left lane is winning this race as long as they keep their wheels in this green box. So that is behind their dial-in, so not braking out, but in front of their opponent's wheels. At this point, the right lane can't win this race. So let's play it out to the end. And here we can see that the left lane has reached the finish line first, hasn't broken out, and takes the win. If we look at the margin of victory, it was 100th of a second and just over 2 feet. So that, in a nutshell, is how the win window works. It tells you exactly where your front wheels need to be to win a round. So let's go and look at the second example. In this next example, the left lane is braking out, so we've got a 602 dial-in running 6 seconds, so going to be 200s under, and then we've got a 499 in the right lane running 5 seconds, so 100th over. We'll do the same again, we'll play the race. Slow it down. Pause it. Okay, so let's just refresh. Blue line, wheels in the right lane. Yellow line, wheels in the left lane. Pink lines are the dial-ins. So at the moment, the left lane is braking out. The win window is back here. So in order for the left lane to win, they must drop back behind their dial-in, but stay in front of their opponent's wheels. And you can see here in the right lane that they are inside their win window. They are, in this instance, not braking out. And in fact, they can break out by this green bit here, this box here. That represents how much their opponent is braking out by. So anywhere in this green box, the right lane wins. And we see here, we get to the finish line and the left lane is broken out. And in this last example, we're going to look at when both the left and right lane are breaking out. 602 with an ET of 6 and a dial-in of 503 and an ET of 5, so 200s under and 300s under. Let's play. Slow it down a bit, a little bit more, pause. So, here we can see that the left lane is in the winning position. They're breaking out by less. And we can tell, so from their dial-in, this little box here is how much their opponent is breaking out by. So as long as they stay in this position, they can't lose. For the right lane, they need to drop back. They need to break out by less than the opponent in the left lane. Let's resume, and we see here the racer in the right lane has taken too much stripe. They needed to drop back this distance here. So there you have it. That is the win window in a nutshell. It's one of the most powerful tools in the TSS, or the time slip simulator, as it shows you exactly where your wheels need to be to win that round of racing.